Let's learn how to change the language in Monopoly Go. If you want to change the language in this game but don't know how to do it, you don't have to worry anymore, because after watching this video, you'll know how to do it. By the way, this tutorial is the same for both Android and iPhone devices. The first thing you need to do is check if your Monopoly Go game is updated. If you're on Android, check it in the Google Play Store, and if you're on iPhone, check it in the App Store. Once you're sure it's updated, we can begin. The first thing you need to do is open the Monopoly Go game. When you open the game, you'll be on the screen with the game board. On that screen, you need to click on the 3 horizontal lines located in the upper right corner of the screen. After clicking on those 3 lines, a menu will open with several options. From all the options in that menu, you need to click on the last option, which is the settings option. After clicking on that option, a screen will open with several options. From those options, you need to click on the language that is currently set. Once you click on that, a screen will open with a list of all the languages you can set in the game. Now on that list, you need to find the language you want to set in the game. When you find that language, click on it and that's it. You have successfully changed the language. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.